So this is kind of the stuff I like doing for fun. Utilizing what I have. But yeah, this is an old C battery nail trimmer for dogs. I was going to modernize it with an old vape cart battery, and it's actually going to work out beautiful. I was overcomplicating it, going to buy some new wire. Oops. Some new wire. Nope. Just bink bink, put those together. Bam, like it was meant to be. Stay tuned, see if it works. And it'll be supercharged because those are 1.5 volts. So this will be like a race car engine. Have a blessed Sunday. Alright, let's try this again. But yes, after 3 dab pens later, and busting out old Trusty here, we have a working prototype. Or not even prototype, it's working. So yeah, it's a little grinder. It's mainly for the dogs, but yeah. I'll stuff all this inside here. And I'll show you guys what's up. But yeah, I guess this might be my first commercial, but this is a soldering iron I got off of TikTok. Yeah, got the job done. I had to charge it twice, but yeah. So yeah, I'll get it put together and enjoy this beautiful Sunday. All right, final video of it put together. Like I said, it used to be a DC battery, and now, it's a C battery, and now it's a rechargeable 3-volt battery, so that means it's more powerful.